In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Charles Schwab Amex Platinum. If you've been eyeing the Platinum card from American Express exclusively for Charles Schwab, this walkthrough will make the process simple and smooth. First, let's make sure you meet the requirements. You must have an eligible Charles Schwab account before you apply. That means a Schwab Brokerage account or a Schwab IRA, such as a traditional or Roth IRA. Without one of these accounts, the application won't work, since eligibility is tied to your Schwab relationship. Next, you need to be at least 18 and have a valid U.S. address. If you're currently outside the United States, approval is generally not possible unless you have U.S. residency, so keep that in mind. Finally, this card typically requires good to excellent credit, similar to other Amex Platinum products, so it's best to apply when your credit profile is in strong shape. When you're ready to apply, start by logging into your Schwab account on the official Charles Schwab website. Sign in as you normally would. It's a good idea to double-check you're on the legitimate site and that your account details are up to date, especially your address, since that should match your application. Once you're in, navigate to the Schwab credit cards page and look for the Platinum card from American Express for Schwab. Open that page to review the details and confirm it's the correct product. Click Apply Now. You'll be redirected to American Express to complete the application. There, you'll enter your personal information, your income, and for U.S. applicants, your social security number. Use your legal name exactly as it appears on your Schwab account and make sure the address matches. For income, include the total amount you reasonably have access to for repaying the card. Submit your application. American Express will review your credit and eligibility. Some applicants see a decision instantly, while others may get a pending notice while Amex completes its review. If your credit file is frozen, you'll need to lift the freeze so Amex can access it. If you're approved, your card typically arrives in about 5 to 10 days. When it shows up, follow the activation instructions included with the card or activate it in your American Express online account or mobile app. You can then add the card to your digital wallet for immediate use. A few final notes. The annual fee is about $895 per year. The card is issued by American Express rather than Schwab, and you cannot convert an existing Amex card into this one. You must submit a new application.